Another common query that UPSC students have is which is the shortest subject which I should pick, which I can prepare within 2 months for UPSC, because I have qualified my prelims and now I am on the verge that I need to start for my mains, so it's already too late. That's the first thing. You have to have a clear picture in mind before your prelims even what optional you would choose for your mains examination. Now coming on to the shortest optional, there is no one optional which is short, right? Every subject has a in-depth knowledge in their own discipline, and you must be familiar with that knowledge, because that would be ultimately required for your good answer writing. If you have shallow depth in any subject, it would reflect very poorly in your answers and you won't be able to secure good marks. But if you have studied a subject nicely, then you would be able to answer well. So ultimately subject knowledge is what pays with your UPSC answers. So there is no one subject which is, we can say, short. Let me give you an example. Let's say if you talk about history as an optional, you would have ancient, medieval and modern. If you talk about geography as an optional, you would have physical geography, human geography, geography of India as a subject. So every subject have their own classification, and within that classification they have their own depth, right? So you cannot say that one subject would be short as compared to another. But yes, if you have a prior background of certain subject, that subject would automatically appear short to you, because you already have certain knowledge and you have to just refine that and build on top of it. So that would be one of the best suggestions, that whatever you have been pursuing, if you take it on a go from there itself, you would definitely benefit as compared to any other optional that you would be picking up fresh. So don't just dwindle with your optionals. If you don't perform well with the optional one time, don't just plan to switch to another optional, and don't do this mistake that you choose another optional for your state PSCs and another optional for your UPSC. That's again a common mistake that numerous students do. So just avoid all those kind of things. Anyone who suggests you these things would be just a gimmick. It's really important to understand that whatever discipline you have been pursuing, it's best that you continue with the same discipline. Of course, we'll be coming with more lectures shortly. Thank you.